we
take
can
up
start
LASIK
with
tomorrow.
LASIK surgery
Yeah.
and what are the side effects about it?
Yeah. So, see, I think LASIK, because the question starts with side effects, I'll say LASIK is one of the safest procedures that exists on the human body. Having said that, no procedure is absolutely risk free. LASIK also does involve certain risks, but the chances of serious complications, the chances of vision threatening complications happening are quite low. And see, what is important is that you see somebody who's a refractive surgeon, who's a specialist at this. You need somebody who has the right equipment. You need to be able to get your scans done which are able to predict and see how your cornea is. So if your corneal shape, corneal thickness, there are various other parameters that we look at. If they are all normal, then LASIK is essentially quite a safe procedure. There is no procedure in the human body which you can say is 100% safe, but it is one of the safest procedures there is. And essentially, in the right hands, with the right diagnostic tools, with the right measures taken, it is an extremely safe procedure. And uh, somebody also wants to ask about the new form of LASIK. So LASIK essentially, when it came out, was a procedure which was done with a blade. So in the cornea, which is the outermost refractive layer of the eye, the transparent layer of the eye. So that is the cornea. So you have to create a small flap with a blade, lift it, and then do the laser. The newer forms of LASIK have replaced that blade with the laser itself. So the laser itself creates that cut, and you have to lift that and then do the laser. So that really adds to the safety levels, because a blade can to a certain extent malfunction or not function to the extent optimally the way you want it, which doesn't really happen with the all laser bladeless procedure. So essentially the safety levels have increased quite a lot. Is it painless? I would say uh, it's not pain free, but the pain that you have is quite low. During the surgery, there's hardly any pain. You do feel some pressure, some touch sensations, but there is really minimal pain. I mean, most patients, 95 out of 100 patients will say absolutely no pain. 5% patients are more because of anxious and worried, so they get a little jittery, but it's not really pain. On the day the surgery is done, you do have a little bit of discomfort, foreign body sensation, some watering in the eyes. Your vision will be a little blurred on the day of the surgery. The next day, when you come for your post-op day one visit, your vision is quite good. You're quite comfortable, and you're doing quite well. So, if pain is something you're worried about, I don't think you should be worried too much about in terms of LASIK. And side effects, commonly what really happens in a lot of people is a little bit of dryness does develop, and sometimes you do have a little bit of halos around light. All these things do happen, and these do tend to settle down with time. So essentially quite a safe procedure, but I always tell all my patients that some patients say कि हमारी आंख खराब है, चश्मे की पावर है, हमें ठीक करानी है, and that's not how it is. Glasses, contact lenses, LASIK, they're all good options. It's about what you want. If I mean, Hardik is comfortable with his glasses, so why should he get rid of those glasses? Nobody has the right to tell him that no, you should not wear glasses. So if somebody likes to wear glasses, then glasses is also a good option. If you don't like glasses and if you want to get rid of them, then LASIK is quite a safe option, and you can go ahead with it, provided you have gotten all the required scans done and you're getting it from a refractive surgeon who specializes at it.